We have an NS Manifest with some interesting cars behind it. This might be a film. The whole all the way through, I think it is. Yeah, construction equipment. Alright. Take a look at that Norfolk Western hopper. Wow. That's gonna be a pretty cool one. Sorry if I sound weird, but I'm eating fries. Construction equipment on the train now. One. Huh. Interesting Union Pacific hoppers. Old ones right there. Supposed to rain now. I've got just blue skies and sun. Hot. I've got an umbrella though because of the rain, so I'm using that stuff. Not right now, but I'm using it to cool myself down. Wow, 2 GPUs. Hold on to G-Vodes, but dang. Huh. EC44 AC, I think. I'm trying to take my fries. Well, I'm gonna put it over there. One of the longest manifests I've ever seen, I'm gonna be honest. Moving at a constant rate of speed, it's just long. Don't forget, I am A-okay. Oh, why did I make that joke? That was not funny. It's interesting. They painted that one yellow, but they still have the Conrail logo on it. And just a tank car in the middle of the intermodal, the RX. For 6 minutes, dang. End up using up all my battery on this train alone. Finally, the end. We approach 7 minutes. We finally get to the end of the train. Wow, that was long. Bye-bye, longest manifest ever.